Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the operational aspects of business transformation. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. In the session today, we are talking about the frameworks that are used, the use of multiple frameworks to deliver transformation. The diagram shows a series of frameworks that are needed to deliver a service and changes to a service. So, if we have offered artificial intelligence within the mortgage assessment process to our customers, then to get this established, we have used a project management framework. We have changed the services provided by technology, so we may have used ITIL. We've used Agile in the software development. We've changed their interaction with the customer, so we've had to manage that through. You can see that there are a series of frameworks that are used that come together to deliver a service change. The same applies when delivering transformation. Transformation is not just ADKAR. Here it is. Go run with it. To deliver ADKAR, you need project management. To deliver project management, you need financial management. As we've talked about before, there is no one-size-fits-all, silver bullet, panacea, magic wand that delivers transformation. There is not one framework alone that delivers transformation. It is the consistent and persistent application of proven business practices applied pragmatically that will require the use of multiple frameworks that delivers transformation. We look at the technology side, and what we're looking at is this is the complexity of changes that are made when a business undergoes transformation of its knowledge worker services. We're changing infrastructure. We're changing the compute. We're changing end devices. We're changing ICT operations. We're changing how the service desk operates. We're changing how we impact with the business and how the business then impacts with the customers. And again, to deliver this service and this change, a series of frameworks are needed. For those in the room, we'll talk about some of the frameworks in more detail. For those watching the video, please enjoy some of the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.